Welcome to our tutorial on how to stop sharing your location on Twitter using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, click on your profile picture to access your account settings. Select Settings and Privacy, then navigate to Privacy and Safety to manage your privacy settings. Scroll down to the Location Information tab to control how your location data is shared. Locate the slider for Personalize based on precise location and tap on it to disable location access, preventing Twitter from using your precise location for personalization. By turning off location sharing on Twitter, you can enhance your privacy and limit the use of your precise location data on the platform. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to stop sharing your location on Twitter using your PC. Take control of your privacy and manage your location settings effectively by following these simple steps. Enjoy a more secure and private Twitter experience by disabling location access and protecting your personal information.